Hi mga kabesh! Ipinakikilala ko po sa inyo. Dugong artista at dugong politiko ang napakabait. Sinusuportahan niya ang Mobile Medical and Dental Vision ng probinsya ng Tarlac. Siyempre ang pinakagwapo at may puso, Congressman Jaime Eduardo Mark Guaco. Hello!
Hi, thank you so much for being here today, supporting the farmers and MSMEs dito sa Home region namin. Right now we have a lot of different MSMEs here, different farmers, DAs here, DTIs here. We're just trying to connect the supply chains, make sure everybody's connected, maybe even promote farmers to grow certain crops that they would have not thought of growing otherwise, you know. So we're here supported by DAs. They're going to help facilitate any sort of transition. Let's say, my goal for today, sana po, is at least the farmers will be able to identify anong crops na gustuhan ng mga MSMEs natin, para they can support each other. Kasi there's a huge problem right now where a lot of our MSMEs are sourcing their supplies from very far regions of the Philippines or even importing them. So sana po we can just have it all localized na lang, work together para all of us will be happy, the farmers will be more secure, they'll be protected with better prices, and a more secure supply chain. And our MSMEs will also have reduced costs and more secured supply chains as well. So it's good to see that there are a lot of support here. Thank you also for being here.
Thank you so much. Naku, yes lang ako ng yes. I'm so proud of you. Bakit hindi ka sumusuko sa buhay?
Sorry, sumusuko.
Why you're not giving up in spite of all the difficulties? Naku, napalaban ako.
Well, I mean, you know, at the end of the day, we just have to give our best, and I'm very happy to help. It gives me a lot of pleasure and joy in life to be of service to other people and to make other people have an easier time and address certain things that could be fixed or improved in, let's say, our local economy.
Thank you so much. I'm so proud of you. Thank you for supporting Servisyo Mayam. We're very, very proud of you. Thank you so much. God bless.
God bless.
Thank you.
Thank you.